What is going on, guys? This is the Mafia Garage here, and today I'm sitting inside my Sera. And today's project is, as you guys might have saw, is me trying to repair this AC vent. Now, the right way to do it is to remove the whole entire dashboard and just to replace one AC vent. So what happened was I was going on a road trip with this car to Virginia, and I just adjusted the AC vent, and what happened was it just disintegrated. It just like broke apart. I don't know what happened. I was just like, okay, whatever. I thought it was going to be easy fix where this might pop off or something. So I went on Facebook. I asked how this be replaced. They said to remove the dash. And I was like, maybe there's another way. So I went online, and someone on the forums, I forgot what their name was, but they said that Pontiac Vibe AC vents work. So I went and got one. It looks kind of different from that one, but same mechanism. But what you have to do to install it is remove the dash, and it'll screw right in. That's how these vents work. They screw right in. That's why you have to remove the dash to unscrew them to remove them. But I ordered something else, and it took a couple weeks for it to come in, but I ordered this. This said it's for Pontiac Vibes or whatever, and behind it is a screw, plastic screw. I removed this, and lo and behold, it pops right in there. Now, of course, you gotta adjust it, but what I will do is, it is black, but in all honesty, I really don't mind it being black, because it just kind of blends right in with the dark blue. But it opens right up, it twists around. So what I will be doing is I'm going to glue like a small portion of it onto the dash, so that way if I ever do remove it, it's going to be easier to replace. I'm not going to put glue all the way around the entire piece. I'm just going to dab it right here and probably dab it right there and just put it on there. And I'm using like a little bit like of a weaker glue. It's called Storm Shore Flexible Repair Adhesive. This is usually used for like convertible tops and other things. So it's a strong glue, but it's not going to be that strong. Like, it's flexible, so I'm sure I could pry it off. Instead of using Gorilla Glue or like super glue, then I don't think it'll come off as easy. So I'm going to use this, and when I install it, I'll show you guys the installation of when it's installed, but it is pretty straightforward. You put the glue on there, and you put that right in there, and of course you gotta line it, see where it lines, and that's how it'll look. So yeah, it's a different design, but it's way better than the air just blowing wherever it wants. So I'm gonna get to it with the installation. So as you guys can see, I put a dab right there and a dab right there. And then I'm just going to try to align it as best as I can so it won't smear all over the place. And then just stick it on there. Alright guys, so I put on the glue. And right now I try to align it as best as I could. And to keep it in place, I put 4 pieces of tape on there. Honestly, you don't need that much tape, but I just did it just to keep it in place. And I'm going to let that sit for a couple of hours until it cures. And once it cures, then I'll record me removing the tape and showing you guys how the end result is. So it's sitting on there nice and flush. So you can see it opens right up and it spins around. It came in a packet of 2. So all I needed was 1 because that one's still fine. But if that one goes, then hey, matching one. Let's see if I can get this open with a one hand. There we go. So as you can see, this locking nut was right behind it, and I just took it right off. And this just opens up like normal on a Sera, and it spins around too. Let me see if I can. It spins around just like that. But yeah, that's that. And once it cures up, I'm going to record that portion. Alright guys, as you can see, I have a change of clothes. It's the next day. It's because I read the glue instructions. It says to wait 12 hours for it to cure. So I didn't really dry my car at all. I just left it like that. And I'm going to peel off the tape. That holds it in place. Okay. And it's pretty solid. It's not moving anywhere, and look, it can spin around too. So I say this job's complete. Does it look perfect? Does it look... I mean, it's much better than the hole just right there. I mean, I think it's pretty nice. It's not that bad. Like I said, if this happens to you guys, I mean, it's not a bad thing to do until you actually remove the dash for something else, like let's say heater core. God forbid, that's going to be a big job. But yeah, so that was that. I mean, it's a pretty short video because it's pretty simple. And if that ever happens to you guys, I mean, it'll be pretty good to do. And the reason why I had to wait 12 hours because this glue is like a flexible glue, so it's not as strong. I didn't want a really strong glue. And remember, you guys can remove this. It won't damage anything. And to remove the glue, all you need is some alcohol, like 99% alcohol, and just put it right here on the top or the bottom, wherever you put it, and it's just seep through, and the alcohol will eat up the glue. It won't damage the plastic. It'll eat up the glue, and then it'll make it soft, and you can pull it right off. Hey, that rhymed. That was pretty cool. But yeah, it's pretty good. Like I said, this glue is flexible. It's usually used for like convertible tops and stuff, so heat won't really be a factor in it. So that's a good thing. Like it is baking in here right now. But yeah, works. As you can see, it just flips around. It looks kind of like it belongs there. Kind of. It is different color than it, but that's okay. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will put a link in the description in case you guys are wondering where I got this from. And yeah, I hope you guys take it easy.